Hi, you are watching Knowledgewit, and in this video, I am going to tell you about how you can revert back to the previous commit in a Git repository. Suppose you are working on a project and you have done some changes to the code, and but the code is not working, and you want to revert back to the previous commit. Or the second case is you have accidentally deleted any part of code or any file or multiple files, and you want to restore them by switching to the previous commit of the git repository. So how you can do that? First of all, you can subscribe to the knowledge if you haven't already. Moving further, if I have a git repository, and when I run git status, it is currently up to date. Let's modify. So I have deleted a file. Modify the code. Okay, so now when I run git status, it says I have modified the code, I've deleted a file. So now I want to restore them. So how we can do that? So for this purpose, there's a command called git reset, and git reset head tilde one for the previous commit. If you want to switch two commits back, you can use two, and that's hard. This will wipe out all the changes you have made after the last commit. So be careful. If you do not wish to wipe out all the changes you have made with any file, but only to restore the previous commit, you can use soft. Okay, so when I run git reset head hyphen hard. Okay, so now you can see that the file I have deleted earlier is now restored, and in this code the part I had modified is now gone. So this is a command to revert back to the previous commit. That's all for this video. Subscribe Knowledge for more such updates. Thank you.